Hello, good day from newcarsu.com. Today we are sending Hilux and L200 Basic.
Now we're heading to the port to send one Mitsubishi L200 Basic and Hilux Basic.
And here we are at the port. The car's been delivered, and this is an opportunity to compare L200 and Hilux standing together.
Toyota Hilux, 4-wheel drive.
And as you can see, guys, for both vehicles, for Hilux or L200, we always install the Bedliners, and we're going to see that closely in a minute.
Make sure the car is on 2-wheel drive when you're on the road. Very smooth ride, very nice. Again, that's a basic option, so buttons is only on the left side here, but already has a Bluetooth, even on the basic automatic version. All right, it's quite pleasant interior. Yeah, it's a little bit more costly than the L200 Mitsubishi, but that's Toyota, guys. Suspension, maybe it's a little bit harder compared to L200, but I like it. It's kind of harder and softer at the same time. Yeah, so there's a touch screen. Very nice, very beautiful car. For a pickup, that's more than you can expect. Very smooth, very nice ride. Even on the basic version with automatic 2.7, so it's a 4-wheel drive car, and it has the power mirrors. And it has side steps. Mitsubishi L200. So this one is with the power mirror option, with the power mirror, power windows. It's half multi steering wheel. It already has volume control, manual switches. This is a 4-wheel drive car, manual gearbox. Ashtray is here. Okay. We usually put the keys over here so it won't be lost, or some belongings. There is something when you open this cover, when you open this glove compartment, there is a place where you can fit some small belongings, and like inside the AC duct. So basically no one can find there. This is Petrol basic option. So on the first gear. Very nice. Chrome door handles with the side steps, manual seats.
This is a high quality bedliner from Max, that's a Thailand company. And please don't forget, guys, that if you need additional accessories like seat heaters, leather seats, PVC seats, fog lights, alloy wheels, if the car doesn't have it, anything, DVD, and all the other accessories, we can always install it for you.
Okay.
At this point, cars are entering free zone and going to be loaded on a vessel and going to travel tonight.
Need some keys.